Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background on a photo with the application Canva. Okay, so we are here. If you don't have a Canva account, just go to www.canva.com and create an account for free. Then, let's say that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail with my picture. We click on Create YouTube Thumbnail. And it brings us to white canvas. Here you want to add your own picture. Let's add a picture with a background. Okay, I will add this one. And then what you need to do is to go to Edit Image, click on it. And as a first, have the BG remover. BG stands for background. So this is the application in Canva that it will remove your background. You click on it. And in a couple of seconds, the background from your picture is all gone. There you go. And an extra tip for you guys, if you want to make the outline around your body, you scroll down and you go to Shadows, where it says Outline, and you have an outline around your body. But let's say that you don't like the black color and you want a white color or a red color or maybe yellow, green, blue, whatever you want. There you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.